morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad. I am back on the Appalachian Trail. I've already hit my Appalachian Trail in Pennsylvania goal this year, but I am back on the trail to have a little Christmas cheer hike, a little happy holidays for everybody. I am going to go up to the top of Pulpit Rock here, and I am going to make some trademark Hiker Dude Dad hot cocoa on this crisp December 13th morning. It is chilly. It's about 32 degrees right now. It should warm up a bit today, but by the time I get to the pulpit in 2 miles here, I think it'll still be hot chocolate weather, and we are going to make some of Hiker Dude Dad's special recipe. Let's go. I'm already down to 1 layer. I don't even know why I start this hike, even if it's 30 degrees. I don't even know why I start with more than 1 layer. It is all uphill to Pulpit Rock. So I was pretty excited when I got here today because there was only 1 other car in the parking lot, and I'm hoping it was a sunrise hiker, which I considered today. I considered coming up for the sunrise on the pulpit, but it wasn't happening after a busy weekend. But 1 car here in the lot, which is astounding. So Merry Christmas to me. Hopefully I get to have the pulpit to myself. There was 1 other car that pulled in, but I've been going so slow, he's had a chance to catch up. So maybe he's going a different way, maybe he's doing a different hike altogether. So hopefully Merry Christmas to me, and I get viewpoints here to myself. I know once I get up here I'm gonna be cold, so I'll put my layers back on. But with no wind today and this climb, feels warmer than it is. I'm down to 1 layer. I'm sweating, but almost there. Big stack of rocks. That's where we're going. Ourselves. Just a few short minutes ago we were right underneath. Just heard an animal down there. Oh man, so great. This is my favorite hike in Pennsylvania. So Jay's gonna freak out. I have a flask filled with 10 ounces of whole milk, 2 ounces of heavy cream, and a dash of vanilla. I've got a little bit of instant coffee, tablespoon I think, and I've got some Wilbur chocolate, dark 70% dark chocolate to melt into the hot chocolate. Also, since I'm Hiker Dude Dad, I've got a little something to put in there for our hot chocolate. I've also got heavy cream with a little bit of powdered sugar in it. This has been rocking in the pack the whole way, and I'm gonna keep this ice cold and keep shaking it, and this will be my whipped cream topper. Get down. So I'm gonna try and cook this milk real slow, which might be hard on the stove. I'm gonna get on my chocolate. Keep stirring that. Alright, I was just talking to a couple up here, very nice. We're trying to figure out which of those bumps out there is truly the pinnacle. I'm pretty sure it's the cone straight out ahead, this guy. With all the times I've been up here, I'm like 99.9% sure that that's what it is. So we were talking about that, and all the mileage up here and everything like that. So them and their dog just kind of set off, and I'm at a good clip here with this hot chocolate. So all my chocolate is nice and melted. Oh, look at that. No powder for this guy, man. I gotta melt the dark chocolate in. Oh man, just looking at spoon was awesome. I'm gonna cut my heat here. Try not to drop it off this rock face. Gonna hit her with a little hiker doodad shear. So I have noticed and learned this actually in my days as a brewer that no, not add whiskey to everything, but in my days as a brewer with chocolate, I did add some vanilla, a little bit of vanilla extract, and I also, by adding that instant coffee, it just helps round out the chocolate flavor. It gives you more depth. You know, you're not looking specifically for that coffee flavor or the vanilla, but it just helps to round out that chocolate a little bit. So I'm going to pour this into my mug and work on my whipped cream here. Oh man, look at that nice melt. It's a thick hot chocolate. So heavy cream, you'll remember this from my St. Patrick's Day video. Vigorous shaking, whipping is going to get this to make a nice whipped cream. I'm more of a whipped cream guy than a marshmallow guy. Also for this recipe, if you really wanted to Christmas it up, you could crush some candy canes, but I don't really do mint. Crush up some candy canes or something, or little rumpleminz or something to put in there instead of whiskey. But the bourbon for me is a little bit of Christmas cheer, and can't wait to hit this hot chocolate. Oh yeah. Yep, a little more shaking. Just about stiff enough. Good, it's a nice cold day out. Alright, so here we go. Some nice whipped cream. Look at that. Just floating there right on top of my chocolate. Got about 4 ounces here of cream, so gotta lay it on thick. That's amazing. So here we go, top of Pennsylvania. Cheers. Oh my God. Wilbur chocolate in there. Some Christmas cheer. Some whole milk and heavy cream. A ton of heavy cream in this. I don't usually do anything other than 1% milk, so this is a big boy for me. Yeah, ice cold cream and then the hot chocolate coming up through. So amazing. Amazing with this view. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, everybody. This has been a heck of a year. I've really loved running my fundraiser for the Cancer Research Institute. It is not too late to donate for that. There's always a link below. I can't wait to, in the next couple weeks here, give them a big, nice check from Hiker Dude Dad subscribers and viewers. That's going to make my Christmas extra special. Last week I hit my 100,000 feet of elevation somewhere during a hike. It's hard to gauge where, but my 1,000 miles was easy to plan. That is going to be my next video here. When I hit that, is actually going to be out there at the pinnacle later today, perhaps. But 1,000 miles will be our next video. So it's December 13th. All my goals have been achieved. Just trying to boost up the Cancer Research Institute goal a little more. Other than that, everything is done. I can relax and enjoy Christmas and enjoy this hot chocolate. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please tell a friend. 2022 is going to be amazing. I guarantee it.